husband is into business and I'm just a homemaker and like mother of three. It started with like homeopathy and holistic treatment around 14 years back. When my son was 1 year old and he was not keeping well, like sneezing and all that, eczema, he had asthma like problem. But I took him to allopathic doctor. They gave him all the pulmicort and nebulizers, and my husband was very angry at them, like the doctors for treating the child like at such a small age with all these steroids. So I was just Googled and like I tried to look in for some homeopathy doctor. Then I logged in with Dr. Ludmila, and I took my son to her Dera clinic. That was some around 14 years back. Then like she gave him medicine, and like you can say like in 1 month of treatment he was absolutely fine, and then there was no looking back to homeopathy. So we were keep. Then I had another child, he was fine. Then my husband some 9 years back, he was like having this vertigo problem. He would go to office and he would come back and say like I was feeling unwell, and like when I bent down I felt like just collapsing. I brought my husband here. Dr. Ludmila and Dr. Saya, they like examined him, undressed him till his brief, and then they diagnosed like he had some liver problem after like all those scannings and testings of blood, and liver was like swollen. So, and he needed like homeopathy. He had to work out and he had to bath in seawater. So like we used to go to like clubs and like he would swim, and then homeopathy, and like he was better in like 1 month or something like that. And then like I was pregnant after that, and I just like only took homeopathy throughout my pregnancy for like morning sickness, for vomitings, for nausea feeling. And then my daughter was born. She was just 3 days old when I gave her homeopathy, like 4 pills of sulfur. And like till now, she's now 6 years, and we haven't used any homeopathy, I mean allopathy for her. Only homeopathy for like sneezing, for immunity, for even my school friends. The kids who are coming to school, they are given the same medicines. I refer them to Dr. Ludmila. So it's like trust, and it's like you can say lifelong commitment now with homeopathy and holistic treatment only. I bring my son who was having weak chest, so he was again given some steroids and pulmicort nebulizer by some doctor in city hospital. But I brought him here for Ayurvedic massage, and they did some foot reflexology massage for him. And they, I don't know, some steam here only in the clinic, and he's absolutely fine, mashallah. This is now 8 years of following a healthy lifestyle with Dr. Ludmila, and the holistic treatment has been working like wonderful. And I have referred so many friends of mine to holistic, and they are like, every time I meet them, they just like hug me, or their family. They are like so obliged now that I give the correct advice for Dr. Ludmila and the holistic clinic and with Dr. Saya.